Okay, so here's the tutorial on the basic backhand screwdriver. Obviously, you're going to start in the backhand closed position, bite handle away from you or on the left, depending on how you look at it. You're going to be pinching the safe handle between your index and your thumb. These other fingers are resting loosely, and this whole move is all about wrist and hand movement as well as timing it and getting the moves to flow with one another. It's very difficult to kind of break down into slow motion steps here because, like I said, the whole move relies upon inertia and, a flowing movement from beginning to end. So I'll try my best. Basically, you're going to drop the bite handle out to initiate the move. Just drop it out, and as it comes to about the 3 o'clock position here, you're going to use the screwdriver type of motion to twist the knife, because basically you're going to start with the handle in this position and you're going to end with the handle in that position. So put your thumb on the outer edge of the safe handle and just twist it in, kind of like you're twisting a screwdriver, and that will bring the bite handle out and around. And that's the important part here of this move, is you want the handle in the air. You don't want it down there like that and to twist it. That doesn't work like that. You want it out, twist it around, and now you're going to dip your hand down, because you want to bring it up like that so it ricochets basically off the bottom of your pinky. And then from there, open up and let it come right back in like that. So I'll try to do this really exaggerated so you can see the hand motions involved. Like I said, this whole move relies upon your wrist and your hand moving in the right time for the move. Basically, this is the wrist motion you're going to use for the whole trick. It's just like that. So I'll try to break this down really exaggerated here. Like I said, bring it up and around so that handle gets out there. Do the twist. Again, bring it up and around and bring it up. Like I said, that's really exaggerated. You don't want to do it to that extreme, but just to kind of show you the wrist and hand movements involved. I'll try to do it here in one solid motion. I'm trying to get it to flow as slow as I possibly can. So that's the move. Like I said, drop it out. When the handle gets here, twist. Use the screwdriver motion. Pull in with your thumb and twist that handle around. As it starts to fall, dip your hand down so it comes up. Throw it back out. And use the same move to close it. Let it fall down. Initiate your twist, bringing the handle up and around so it's in the air like that. Now dip your hand in, let it ricochet, and tilt your wrist up and catch it.